I think he's ready to get ready to fornicate. They're signaling. Of course, you can't hear the audio. Audio. Okay, I'm thinking the male's on being the bottom of the screen, chasing the female going up the screen. That's how you tell them apart. Who chases who? And also size. I guess she got rejected or he got rejected. One or two. They're going several ways. I think there's some kind of spider um, family. Okay, there you go. He's picking up speed. She's on the other side of the screen. He come back up. He had to come down for air. Now he's going back in. Cloudy day outside today. Could be cold. That sun goes down though. 20 degrees plus. Okay, stay tuned to more at West Lane Ranch.